As March comes to an end, so does our month of Oscar-nominated films here on Monday at the Movies. Tonight, we go to 1939, one of the greatest years in film history, with Love Affair, directed by Leo McCarey. Love Affair gathered 6 nominations in categories like Outstanding Production, Best Actress, and Best Writing, but it failed to secure any victories thanks in no small part to the dizzying competition. Gone with the Wind dominated the awards with 8 wins, while other films like Stagecoach, The Wizard of Oz, Mr. Smith Goes to Washington, and Goodbye, Mr. Chips all vied for the remaining categories. Love Affair stars Irene Dunne and Charles Boyer as 2 people who fall in love while on a cruise. However, they are both already engaged to someone else. The original screenplay drew criticism of supporting adultery, causing a reworking to be done to appease the more stringent Hollywood censorship of the time. The film has a profound legacy, spawning multiple remakes and even a few Bollywood adaptations. The 1957 remake, An Affair to Remember, also directed by McCarey, has mostly supplanted the original in the mind of pop culture, partly due to its heavy reference in 1993's Sleepless in Seattle. Critics remain divided on which version is better, though McCarey seemed to prefer his original work. It is that work that we bring you tonight, so relax and enjoy the original Love Affair, here on the Create channel.